Welcome to the project demonstration of Advanced and Intelligent Wheelchair Control System for Leg Amputees using Joystick. So the main features of this project is we are going to control this prototype model wheelchair using this joystick. So here in this manner we need to hold this. So it's a forward and backward, left and right direction. So the four directions along with the stop will be controlled based on the input from this joystick. And while moving forward direction, if is there any obstacle detects, then automatically the system will stop the movement of this vehicle, means the wheelchair movement, and it will provide us the audible alert through this buzzer. So for obstacle detection purpose, we are making use of this IR sensor. So here main inputs are joystick as well as IR sensor, and output modules is like buzzer board as well as 4 DC motors. So here we have interface of 4 DC motors to this PIC microcontroller using we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller. To this microcontroller we have interfaced this 4 DC motors, in that these two are connected in parallel, these two are connected in parallel. So these two sections and these two sections interfaced to this L29H motor driver, and this L293D will get the power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp rechargeable battery pack. So here we are providing this same 12 volts 1 amp power supply to this L298 motor driver, and parallelly same is even input to this L29H motor driver to this one, and this is LM2596 voltage regulator. So this one is the L299H and this one is LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output, and that is the main operating voltage of our microcontroller sensor board. And so once we provide the 5 volts input to this motherboard, it start reading input from this joystick as well as IR sensor. Whenever the system moving in forward direction, then only it will check with the obstacle detection. In the backward, left, right, it won't consider this obstacle detection one. And here we have interfaced the buzzer to get the audible alerts. So coming to the interfacing connections, A4 to this IR sensor, A0A1 to this like joystick, and C0, C1, C2, C3 for this L298 motor driver, and C4 to this buzzer to get the audible alerts. So here before demonstration, very first step is we should keep the battery under full charge. So for that we are providing this charging circuits. Just we need to connect the battery at this slots. So after make the connection, just on the power supply to this transformer, that is normally from our household power supply of 230 volts. So just on this power supply to this power cable, and the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and regular power supply board will regulate that 12 volts AC to 12 volts of DC with the help of this charging circuit. And in this one the 4 diodes will acting as a rectifier, 2 diodes for unidirectional current flow, means the system won't allow the current from the battery pack to the transformer. That's a reverse current protection. So it will take around 4 to 5 hours to be fully charged. Till the duration we should keep the battery under charging before demonstration. So once the time completion, automatically the current will be stops to protect the battery from overcharging. So till the duration we should keep the battery under charging. Now let us check the outputs. So here, as we discussed previously, this is the direction of forward motion, forward, backward, left, right. Okay, just on the power supply, this is the main on off switch here. Just on this, initially it will be on and off 2 times. While we demonstrating, only this particular light will on, another light will on switched on whenever the obstacle detects, like this. Okay, so while moving, if obstacle detects, right, so automatically once obstacle detected, it will provide the audible alerts, and it won't move forward direction. So forward direction, only backward, right, whenever the obstacle detects. So right, so right side, see, so whenever the external sunlight fall directly on this IR sensor, the particular sunlight consists of IR rays, so that's why it will get interfere, right. Okay, that's why I mentioned whenever the second light will get switched on, means whenever the obstacle detects, right. So just place any object in front of this for demonstration purpose. So this is the forward motion, so it won't move forward direction. Right. Right, obstacle X stops automatically, but you can change the direction. Right, thank you.